Let's talk for a minute about AI and personal finance, and should you be using AI to plan your financial future? So let me tell you a story. About a year ago, I was using AI, and specifically chat-based AI, to do some project planning. And what I found out pretty quickly was it didn't work well. And here's why. I thought I could depend on its memory. And what I found was when I would give it something that I needed to do, it would forget the next day. Now, it might remember 8 out of 10 things, 9 out of 10 things, but when it comes to project planning, you need it to remember everything. If you lose just one piece, that could be a major part of the project. It just wasn't reliable. And the same thing happens with personal finance. You need it to know your numbers cold, and if you ask it to give you those numbers back, even a few minutes later, a couple days later, it will tell you with confidence that it's correct. But then if you correct it and say, hey, you forgot about this account, it'll actually say, oh yeah, you're right. I remember now. Yes, we left that one out. You realize it's just not reliable when it comes to chat. Even short-term memory can really present problems. So a huge improvement that's come along since then is that now you can work together with AI on a specific artifact. And what I mean by that is a document or a baseline or one reference point, say it's a spreadsheet or even a written plan. You can look at it together and it can help you with the analysis of that plan. So now instead of just using chat and going back and forth and hoping that it remembers, you both are working together off of this one artifact, and that's where it becomes really powerful. So you have a spreadsheet, you have a plan, and then you and AI both look at that plan. You do the analysis and you make good decisions. Instead of recreating a plan every time you talk to AI, you're working off the same baseline that you were before. One of the key things that you need when it comes to just personal finance and personal financial planning is familiarity. Every time you look at that plan, you need to quickly, at a glance, be able to tell what's going to happen in the plan so that you can rely on it, so that you can use it with speed, so you don't get frustrated and start a whole new discussion every time you're looking at it. So once you have that baseline, it's so powerful to be able to use AI to then modify and analyze that plan. You keep the familiarity, but you get deeper insights and analysis. So can you use AI for your financial planning purposes? I would say use it, but use it for what it's good for. And if you don't have a plan yet, I've got you covered. When it comes to personal financial planning, it's what we teach here on this channel. And there's 2 things I want to give you that you can use right away. First, I've got a spreadsheet that you can just download. You can use that as your starting point. And if you're really good at spreadsheets already, you get it, you get the formulas, you get the numbers, it might help you. But what I would suggest is the second thing, which is that there's a course available to you for free right now at sheetkeeperacademy.com, where we teach you how to build that spreadsheet. You start with a blank spreadsheet in Google Sheets. It's yours to keep forever in your Google account, and we walk you step by step through how to build it. Right now, it's completely free to you as an introductory course, and then if you want to get more advanced or have more thorough, slower-paced lessons, those are coming out as well soon. So we'll put a link there that you can use to get to a wait list when those courses become available. Use the spreadsheet as your baseline, improve it with AI, and then make it your own and make it even better for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.